Sri Akal to all of you. Let me have everybody's attention. My dear children, this is 2024 and today it is the last teaching day of 2024 at Reberdale Public School. So now the next teaching day will be in 2025. And when we have New Year, when New Year starts, we'll be having series of examinations. You all know it very well. We will get pre-final examinations. We will have pre-board examinations. 2 pre-final examinations are to be conducted. Then 2 pre-board examinations are also to be held, and after that your final examination is to be held. You know this? Pata hai aapko? Okay? So examinations are always very important. May we have the students on the stage, please? Yes. Before you, the students of 10th and 12th standard, around 15 to 16 students are there. These are very good students of 10th and 12th standard. You know, the 10th is ICSE class and the 12th, that is plus 2, is ISC class. So these students, they are to appear in their board examinations. Board examinations are very important examinations. All examinations are very important examinations. But when we are talking about, we need to pay attention now. When we are talking about board examinations, so in board examinations, students have competition with all the students. Please come. All of you, please come forward. Competition with the students of your class. Okay? These students are in competition with all the students of India. So it's very important that when they have competition with all the students of India, should they work very hard? Should they work hard or not? Okay? You should also work hard and they should also work very hard. And they are all very good students. The students who are standing on the stage are very good students, brilliant students, outstanding students. Okay? So when they are brilliant students, they are representing our school, your school. Okay? For a competition which is at the national level. So it is expected that these students and rest of the students who are to appear in 10th and 12th board class, they should have proper timetable. They should have proper time management. And they should follow strong revision. They should follow strong revision. They should be working consistently. Consistently, you understand? Yes sir or no sir? Consistently means if today you are working for 6 hours, 8 hours, then every day you should be working for 8 hours. Not just once, every day. And just like you have number of subjects, they also have 10 subjects. How many subjects? 10 subjects. So 10 board papers will be held. Am I right? 10 board papers will be held at 10th level and 6 board papers will be held at the 12th level. And competition is at the national level. When for this kind of competition somebody is to prepare, a lot of hard work is expected. Tell your name also.
My name is Samarpreet Singh. I am from class 10th A. And after going home from schools, I will study the subject that in schools today I have studied and revise them. And then I give extra time to difficult subjects Then I give extra time to the subjects that are difficult like science and maths. And practice their specimen question answers.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि जो होमवर्क मिला है वही करना है. उसके अलावा जो आपको सब्जेक्ट्स मुश्किल लगते हैं उसके ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा टाइम देना है, तभी टॉपर बनेंगे। बच्चे प्लीज टीचर्स काइंडली इंश्योर साइलेंस एंड सीरियसनेस। होमवर्क मिले हैं चलो घर जाके कर लो, उसके अलावा भी अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स which are challenging for you, you should be studying those subjects. And this boy spends time on those subjects which he finds a little complex, and therefore he is scoring good marks also. Yes, carry on please.
And after that, I study the subject topics that next day teachers had to cover.
Next day, whatever subjects or whatever topics, whatever concepts, whatever chapters are to be taught by the teachers, he studies them in advance. Okay? उससे पहले पढ़ के आते हैं. Then only your revisions become useful and meaningful for you. When you come to the school, you should come prepared. So this boy comes prepared in the class. तैयारी करके आते हैं. That way he understands everything in a better manner. Good.
So I can answer the all things that teacher had asked and question answering.
So when you answer the questions there in the class, what does teacher do? When you answer the questions, I am your teacher, I am asking you a question and you are answering my question. What will I do? Will I appreciate you?
Yes.
So you get appreciation of all the teachers? So he gets appreciation of all the teachers because he answers the questions. How does he answer all the questions? Because he does preparation at home. तो घर में preparation करके आते हैं. तो आप भी घर से तैयारी करके आए. You will get a lot of appreciation from your teachers. Okay? Good. Next please.
Good morning, everyone. As I tell about my own studies, I will tell that I have made proper timetable.
Your name, beta?
My name is Rajinder Gaur and
Rajinder Kaur, very bright student. Yes, please.
I have made proper timetable, giving the time to every subject, and I study to 6 to 8 hours every day. And
6 to 8 hours every day after school hours. Listen respectfully, bachcho, please.
knowledge of every concept is done by me, and the numerous questions based on every subject and topic is also done by me, as it is the only way to get knowledge of every question and concept which is to be come in examination. And moreover, I also study topics which are to be done in the next day in the school, and revision is also done thoroughly.
So revision is done thoroughly. Number of questions are studied every day. Whatever topics are to be taught in the coming days, those topics are studied in advance. This is what Rajinder Kaur says, this is what Samarpreet Singh said, this is what Navjot Singh said, this is what Jaskaran said. Everybody who is a topper in the class follows the same pattern. Okay? Very good. Please clap for her. Let's proceed.
Class plus 2 commerce. To achieve your goal, first of all, you should be a good listener in the class.
You tell everyone what you are doing.
I study 6 to 7 hours every day after school hours, and I practice the examination-based questions given by the teachers, and also from the previous.
Today we have seen beautiful artists, है ना? They have done very good coloring. And then students came on the stage, and they were those students who have improved a lot. पहले उनको अच्छी तरह से पढ़ना नहीं आता था, लेकिन उन्होंने मेहनत की तो सीख लिया. क्या किया? क्या किया? सीख लिया ना. They have learned. Okay? अच्छा लिखना नहीं आता था, सुंदर नहीं लिखते थे. कहाँ है वो बच्चे? जरा बुलाएं उनको दोबारा से. मस्त चले. तो पहले उन बच्चों को सुंदर लिखना नहीं आता था. फिर उन्होंने कोशिश की, मैम ने सिखाया, तो उन्होंने भी खूब मेहनत की, यहाँ पर भी, घर जाकर भी. एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड राइटिंग ब्यूटीफुली. नाउ देयर हैंड राइटिंग इज ब्यूटीफुल. ओके? कैसे हुआ? उन्होंने सीख लिया. कैसे हुआ? उन्होंने सीख लिया. सीखा कैसे? कोशिश करके. कैसा सीखा? कोशिश करके। कैसे सीखा? कोशिश करके। तो कोशिश करें तो फिर कुछ भी सीख जाते हैं ना। क्या होता है जब कोशिश करते हैं तो? जब कोशिश करते हैं तो सीख जाते हैं, राइट? रीडिंग सीखते हैं, रीडिंग के लिए कोशिश करें तो सीख जाते हैं, राइटिंग के लिए कोशिश करें तो सीख जाते हैं। ओके? पहले ये बच्चे क्लास में क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स नहीं देते थे, फिर इन्होंने ध्यान से सुनना शुरू किया। व्हाट डिड दे स्टार्ट डूइंग? दे स्टार्टेड लिसनिंग। क्या करना शुरू किया? दे स्टार्टेड लिसनिंग। ध्यान से सुनना शुरू किया। क्या करना शुरू किया? सुनना शुरू किया। ऐसे सुनते हैं ना कानों से? हाँ, तो अच्छी तरह से सुनना शुरू किया तो फिर क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स देने भी फट से शुरू कर दिए। तो आप भी अच्छा लिखना सीखना है, अच्छा सुनना सीखना है और अच्छा पढ़ना भी सीखना है। रीडिंग यू आर टू इम्प्रूव, राइटिंग यू आर टू इम्प्रूव एंड लिसनिंग यू आर टू इम्प्रूव। सभी करेंगे ना और इम्प्रूव? वेरी गुड, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। यू आर ऑल वेरी नाइस स्टूडेंट, वेरी नाइस स्टूडेंट, वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट। 100 on 100, 100 on 100 टू ऑल ऑफ यू। सभी को 100 में से 100। ओके? सभी को स्टार। सभी को क्या मिल गया? वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड।
I follow that timetable consistently, and after covering a chapter, after revising all concepts given in one chapter, I solve question answers given in our question banks, and I make sure that it is clear to me or not. After checking that it is clear to me, I move to the next chapter.
What is your name?
Ramandeep Kaur.
Ramandeep Kaur, you will be getting 4-5 holidays now. अभी आपको छुट्टियां मिलेंगी ना, 4-5 छुट्टियां मिलेंगी, 6 मिलेंगी शायद, ठीक है? तो when you get 5-6 holidays, how will you be spending your holidays?
I have decided that in first 3 holidays I will revise physics, mathematics and chemistry, because these 3 subjects are difficult, but when we revise these subjects, these are very simple. They are numericals in physics and in chemistry. I have decided that I will solve at least 10 to 15 numerical per day. And Punjabi, we have essay in it, and somewhere we make mistakes like in grammatical mistakes, and I will make sure that I should not make any mistake in it in first 3 holidays, and after that in next holidays I will revise topographical shapes we have in geography. That is one of the difficult part, and I will make myself best in it. I will try. And in history civics I will revise all those chapters from which we can get 10 marks question.
बच्चों, आपने की सुनी that we have in our school in 10th standard. She has got absolute clarity of what work she is to do in the coming days, and everybody must be having that clarity of what work they are to do in the holidays. Holidays में कैसे काम करना है? Okay? पहले 3 दिन क्या करना है, 3 दिन में कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स के ऊपर कॉन्सेंट्रेट करना है, कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट्स के कौन कौन से चैप्टर्स, कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस करने हैं, हर चीज की क्लैरिटी। दिस इज हाउ यू बिकम ए टॉपर। यू हैव टू हैव क्लैरिटी, यू हैव टू हैव प्रॉपर प्लानिंग, देन ओनली यू कैन प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ वेरी वेल। सो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? समझ में आया कि जो जो हमारे पास समय है उस समय का इस्तेमाल कैसे करना है। जब वो क्लैरिटी आपके पास है तो आप कभी भी अपना समय जाया नहीं करते हैं। आई एम वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड, गॉड ब्लेस यू। नेक्स्ट प्लीज, क्लैप फॉर हर।
Good morning everyone. I am Rajat Kaur from 10th class. When I reached home, I studied for 6 to 7 hours after going to home, and next I used to solve previous year questions and read the chapters thoroughly and deeply to understand the concept. And I do not attend to the family functions because whenever we go to there, our mind distracted and disturbed. Therefore, we do not.
So you avoid. It should come when there should be a celebration for your success. आपके सक्सेस की एक सेलिब्रेशन हो, उसके लिए कुछ आप कर रहे हो?
Yes, I mostly prefer to study in morning time.
Okay. So जो मॉर्निंग टाइम में आप टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, does it prove to be very helpful for you?
Yes, because there is more efficiency to revise and recall the concept in morning time.
In morning time, how do you feel that morning time is better than any other time slot that we have in the day?
Because some days we feel tired and in morning there is no any kind
So you feel
tiredness.
quite fresh.
Yes.
And it is total peace all around. No disturbance is there. Mind is fresh, total peace is there all around. Nature also supports you. Body also supports you. No tiredness is there. You can focus and concentrate better. Very good. So morning hours are best hours when you are to study and you have to get top slot in your class. Very good. Yes, next please.
Good morning, sir. My name is Madhika and I'm from 10th B standard. And after reaching home, firstly my routine is that I revise all the topics that has been discussed in the class and in my homework.
तो अभी भी ये बच्चा कहता है कि मैं घर में रिवीजन जरूर करता हूँ, कभी मिस नहीं करता। और कुछ
घर जाके जो काम मिलता है उससे रिवाइज करते हैं।
इनको भी करना चाहिए। टाइम टेबल बनाया है आपने, वेरी गुड। उस टाइम टेबल को आप फॉलो भी करते हैं या इग्नोर कर देते हैं? रोज फॉलो करते हैं। तो टाइम टेबल बनाना आसान है लेकिन फॉलो करना मुश्किल है। ओके जी, तो ये जो आप रूटीन फॉलो कर रहे हैं इसका आपको फायदा हो रहा है या कोई फायदा नहीं हो रहा है? फायदा हो रहा है। क्या फायदा हो रहा है? कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ रहा है, कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ रहा है। गुड। साथ साथ रिवीजन भी होती जा रही है। पढ़ाई बहुत आसान है 12th की या मुश्किल? मुश्किल है, पढ़ाई मुश्किल है लेकिन हाँ, तो उससे सब कुछ समझ में आ रहा है। अगर रिवीजन ना करें तो कुछ समझ में आता है, तो रिवीजन इज इम्पॉर्टेंट। ओके, स्कूल में आप रोज आते हैं और जैसे अक्सर यंगस्टर्स क्या करते हैं, चलो घूम फिर आते हैं, सैर सपाटे कर आते हैं, मोटरसाइकिल पर राउंड लगा आते हैं, तो आप भी ऐसा ही करते हैं? हाँ, तो माइक ऊपर कर लो। हाँ जी। सो इन कामों में इनकी कोई रुचि नहीं है, तभी क्लास के अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स में से इनकी गिनती होती है। वेरी गुड, क्लैप फॉर जसकरण। Go ahead. Yes. Keep mic close to your mouth. Yes.
I practice regularly the given data assigned by teachers. Practice.
मतलब टीचर्स के ऊपर निर्भर करते हो आप? On your own, you don't have any timetable कि I am to spend this much time on this subject, on this topic. This is more complex subject. These are more complex topics. तो मुझे इनके ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए।
No, sir. I personally prefer to use that time with
हाँ, तो which subject do you feel is the most complex subject for you?
economics.
Economics is the most complex subject for the student pursuing our stream. तो उसके ऊपर are you spending more time as compared to other subjects?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो बताओ क्या क्या सेक्रीफाइसेस कर रहे हैं, क्या रूटीन है आपका, कितने बजे जग जाते हैं, कितने बजे आपको जगना चाहिए, आगे आप क्या शेड्यूल अपना फॉलो करने वाले हैं? टेल एवरीवन।
I wake up early in 4:30 at 4:30 p.m. and
4:30 सुबह उठ जाते हैं, राइट?
practice my question papers that I had specimen paper and competency focused question of economics and other subjects that I want to do. And then after ready for the school. And
have you set some kind of target for yourself?
yes,
कोई टारगेट सेट किया? सबको बताएं।
I set a target of 90%.
90% मार्क्स का टारगेट सेट किया है जी। अच्छा टारगेट है? हाँ, तो क्लैपिंग करें फिर। राइट, आप में से 90% का टारगेट किसने सेट किया? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू? ये ऊपर जो बच्चे खड़े हैं, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव सेट दिस टारगेट 90%? डर डर के हाथ खड़े कर रहे हैं। All right.
Good morning to everyone. So I see that being one of the topper is not an easy task.
But this is Navjot Singh. Now he's in 12th standard, and in 10th standard, this boy got more than 97% marks. Clap for him. This boy got more than 97% marks in.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Lakshmi Kaur and I am from 10th standard. After reaching at home, I take only 1 hour for complete my homework, and then at least 6 to 7 hours I do study and I.
After completing homework, you spend another 6 to 7 hours.
Yes.
God bless you. Very nice.
I do and revise all works that was taught by teacher in class, and I also do written practice because by written practice our grammatic mistakes was less. And then next day I also wake up early at 4 o'clock morning, and then I spend 2 or 2.5 hours for study. Then I only work on those subjects that I found difficult for study, like maths and physics numericals.
बच्चों, बेटा क्या नाम बताया आपने?
Mathpreet.
Mahek, you tell me this thing, that do you find examination a source of stress?
No.
Do you think that examination is a source of stress or it is an opportunity?
It is an opportunity for me.
Very good. So it is not a source of stress, anxiety or pressure, rather it is a kind of opportunity. What kind of opportunity?
To prove myself.
Very good. So through examination you can prove how strong you are as a student, how honest you are as a student, how focused you are as a student, how skilled you are as a student. Very good. Very nice. Next girl, please clap for her.
Good morning to all. I am Ravindra, and my routine is I wake up at 4:30 a.m. in the early. That subject that were complex like maths and science, and then I came to school and I listened to the teacher very carefully, and I asked to the questions to the teachers very respectfully because it made me to make that. It made me to clear my doubts. And then I reached the home and I at least spent 4 to 5 hours on my study, and I attempted questions from the concept that were discussed in the class, like examination based questions, and further from that that were given in the another books, and I make a thoroughly reading of the chapters because it made me to clear my doubts.
So thorough reading, thorough preparation, very good. Very good. No casualness, no hurried approach. Very nice, very nice. So thoroughness is very essential. So this girl believes in thoroughness. I believe all students.
Everyone, I am Nurkar, a student of 10th standard. As I come to school, so the first thing is regularity, and the second is stay fully focused in our class. As I reach the home, I read the books line to line that of the chapter that we had done at the 8 teaching periods. After doing, it's very easy to find the answers of the question, and after finding the answers, I start doing the written practice, so there is no spelling mistake, and after that I do my extra work that is to be assigned by teachers to us.
Very good. Extra work is also done. Good
morning everyone. I am Rajapreet Kaur from 10th standard. Ever since I have got into 10th standard, I have started waking up 1 hour more early to devote more time to studies. Like I spend nearly 1.5 hours in the morning to study. Then in my 10th standard, I haven't missed a single day of school.
Clap for her. Every day she has come to the school, she has not missed the school even once. एक दिन भी छुट्टी नहीं की है. Very, very good. Yes, please.
While revising at home, if I ever get any doubt, I immediately write it on a notebook and discuss with teacher when I reach school during periods. So by this, I'm preparing to score good marks in my 10th standard.
Good. Clap for everyone. So, how are you what is your approach towards these complex subjects of yours?
I give extra time to these subjects rather than other subjects. I practice every and each topic that is done in the class.
Your hard work is building up your confidence.
Yes.
Confidence has been increased
Yes.
with hard work?
Yes.
Good. Clap for her. Yes.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Anmol Dipkov and I am from class plus 2 commerce. When I talk about my studies, so the most important thing I thought is that I have to read each and every line very carefully instead of reading only the important lines or the important things mentioned in the books. It is very helpful as when we talk about MCQs or the short question answers, it is only from these
What's your name, beta? Anmol. Please, this is something new which she is sharing. Textbooks. Every line of the textbook is required to be read and understood. Textbook की हर एक लाइन को पढ़ना समझना जरूरी है. क्या जरूरी है? क्या जरूरी है? टेक्स्ट की हर एक लाइन को पढ़ना और अंडरस्टैंड करना जरूरी है. ओके? अगर हम थोड़ा थोड़ा पार्ट पढ़ेंगे तो फिर मार्क्स भी थोड़े थोड़े ही आएंगे. हमें थोड़े थोड़े मार्क्स चाहिए या अच्छे मार्क्स चाहिए? अच्छे मार्क्स चाहिए. So Anmol is a class topper. She says, I read everything very minute. Yes.
When I talk about the subjects, so we immediately link the subjects like English, Punjabi and others. But it is very important to read those subjects very carefully because English is our important subject and the marks of English are counted. So nowadays I am paying more attention to English and English literature and language so that I can score more marks in these subjects also.
Very good approach. Clap for her. Very nice. Very nice. Thank you.
Class 10th, I made a proper timetable of my studies and I spent total 7 hours to my studies.
After school hours.
Yes.
Fine. What time do you wake up?
At 4 o'clock.
You also wake up at 4 o'clock. All class toppers wake up at 4 o'clock. Very nice. So, next, anything else you would like to tell them?
I want to say, firstly, you made a proper focus in our classrooms.
Focus is very important. So, you are always focused in the class?
Yes, sir.
And at home?
Yes, sir.
At home also you are extremely focused.
Yes.
So, no time wastage?
Yes, sir.
Do you waste time or you don't waste time?
I don't waste time.
You don't waste time. Usually, how do people waste time?
By using the mobile phones and watching the televisions.
So, these are the time wasting pursuits. तो आप इस प्रकार की कोई टाइम वेस्ट करने वाली एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करते हैं. ओके? बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं जो पूरा दिन खत्म नहीं होता और बाहर से एक मैसेज आ जाता है कि इस बच्चे को भेज दो, क्या है, फैमिली फंक्शन है, वहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. और बच्चों को भी हम देखते हैं बड़ी खुशी खुशी क्लास से बाहर आ. जो एक विद्यार्थी है उसका काम अपनी पढ़ाई करना, अपनी दोहराई करना, अपनी तैयारी करना, यही है, या ये सोशल गैदरिंग्स और वेडिंग सेरेमनीज को अटेंड करके वो अच्छे नंबर ले सकता है.
अपनी पढ़ाई करना और दोहराई करना हमारे लिए सबसे सही बात है.
जो बच्चे those who attend such social gatherings, wedding ceremonies, marriage ceremonies वहाँ अटेंड करते हैं, उसके बाद वो घर में आ जाते हैं, तो क्या उनके लिए एकदम से अपनी किताबों के ऊपर फोकस करना आसान होता है?
No, sir, because those periods which they are not attend, this is difficult for those students how to work in our homes.
हाँ, मीन्स जब आप स्कूल में कुछ पीरियड्स मिस कर देते हो तो वो काम आपको घर में रिवाइज करना संभव नहीं. दूसरी बात ये भी है कि जहाँ आप कोई वेडिंग सेरेमनी अटेंड करते हैं, चलो साथियों वादा करें, नए साल का कुछ इरादा करें. चलो साथियों वादा करें, नए साल का कुछ इरादा करें. नए साल होगा सम्मान, नए साल होगा सम्मान, हम सबका होगा उत्थान, हम सबका होगा उत्थान. परीक्षा में हम होंगे सफल, परीक्षा में हम होंगे सफल. जो मेहनत हम सब ज्यादा करें, जो और ज्यादा करें। चलो साथियों वादा करें, नए साल का कुछ इरादा करें। चलो साथियों वादा करें, नए साल का कुछ इरादा करें। जल्दी उठ कर पढ़ना है, आलस से हमें लड़ना है। जल्दी उठ कर पढ़ना है, आलस से हमें लड़ना है। आलस को हराना है, वादा ये निभाना है। आलस को हराना है, वादा ये निभाना है। सफलता की तैयारी में, सफलता की तैयारी में पैदा न कोई बाधा करे, पैदा न कोई बाधा करे। चलो साथियों वादा करें, नए साल का कुछ इरादा करें। चलो साथियों वादा करें, नए साल का कुछ इरादा करें। कामयाब अगर होना है, मौका ये नहीं खोना है। कामयाब अगर होना है, मौका ये नहीं खोना है। तो समय नहीं गंवाना है, पार्टियों में नहीं जाना है। समय नहीं गंवाना है, पार्टियों में नहीं जाना है। फैशन से रहना है दूर, फैशन से रहना है दूर। जीवन शैली को सादा करें, जीवन शैली को सादा करें। चलो साथियों वादा करें, नए साल का कुछ इरादा करें। चलो साथियों वादा करें, नए साल का कुछ इरादा करें। नए साल का कुछ इरादा करें।